Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 14th video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days for the session 22 to 23. I hope you have watched previous day's video. If not, you can get the link in the I button. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is: light rays enter the eye through the outer transparent structure at the front of the eye called the प्रकाश किरणें आँख के सामने बाहरी पारदर्शी संरचना के माध्यम से आँख में प्रवेश करती हैं जिसे कहा जाता है, एंड द आंसर इज कॉर्निया. Light rays enter the eye through the outer transparent structure at the eye called the cornea. The cornea is the transparent part of the eye that covers the front portion of the eye. It covers the pupil, iris and anterior chamber. The cornea's main function is to refract or bend the light. Moving to next question. Konark temple in Odisha was built by which of the following kings? उड़ीसा में कोणार्क मंदिर निम्नलिखित में से किस राजा द्वारा बनवाया गया था? द आंसर इज नरसिंह देव वन. Konark temple in Odisha was built by Narsingh Dev I, believed to have been built in the 13th century CE. The Konark temple was built by the king Narsingh Dev I, hailing from the Eastern Ganga dynasty between 1238 to 50 CE. Guys, here I am adding one more question for you to answer in the comment box. Who built Jagannath temple which is situated in Puri? Moving to next question. Which primary acid is present in ripe bananas? पके केले में कौन सा प्राथमिक अम्ल पाया जाता है? एंड द आंसर इज मैलिक एसिड, मैलिक अम्ल. Malic acid is the primary acid present in the ripe banana. Citric and oxalic acid are also present. It also contains a number of enzymes, amylase, invertase, etc. Moving to next question. Which one of the following caves is situated in Maharashtra? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी गुफा महाराष्ट्र में स्थित है? The answer is Ellora. Ellora is UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Maharashtra. It is one of the largest rock-cut Hindu temple cave complexes in the world, featuring Hinduism in particular and few Buddhist and Jain monuments with artwork dating from 600 to 1000 CE period. Moving to next question. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in Asian Games? एशियाई खेलों में स्वर्ण पदक जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय महिला कौन थी? द आंसर इज कमलजीत संधू. Indian Olympic athlete Kamaljeet Sandhu is the first Indian woman athlete to win an individual gold medal at Asian Games. She won gold medal at 1970 Bangkok Asian Games in 400-meter race. Moving to next question. Who is the author of the book Changing India? Changing India पुस्तक के लेखक कौन हैं? The answer is मनमोहन सिंह. Changing India is a book authored by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. This set of 5 volumes documents the life and work of Manmohan Singh, who has had a deep impact on India and its economy. Moving to next question. Machu Picchu Old Mountain is situated in which country? Machu Picchu पुराना पर्वत किस देश में स्थित है? The answer is Peru. Machu Picchu is situated in Peru. It is a site of ancient Inca ruins located about 80 km northwest of Cuzco, Peru, in the Cordillera de Vilcabamba of the Andes Mountains. Moving to next question. Who developed the operating system Linux started as a project by a student of Finland? फिनलैंड के एक छात्र द्वारा परियोजना के रूप में शुरू किया गया ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लाइनेक्स किसने विकसित किया? द आंसर इज लाइनस टॉरवोल्ड्स. Computer operating system Linux was created in the early 1990s by Finnish software engineer Linus Torvalds and the Free Software Foundation. Moving to next question. Which of the following is the highest waterfall created by river सरवती इन इंडिया? निम्नलिखित में से भारत में सरवती नदी द्वारा निर्मित सबसे ऊंचा जलप्रपात कौन सा है? द आंसर इज जोग फॉल्स. जोग फॉल्स इज द टॉलेस्ट वाटरफॉल इन इंडिया. It is situated in the dense evergreen forest 16 km from Talguppa railway station in Shimoga district, Karnataka. Moving to next question. Vajra Prahar is a bilateral military exercise between India and वज्र प्रहार भारत और किस देश के बीच में द्विपक्षीय सैन्य अभ्यास है? एंड द आंसर इज यूएसए, अमेरिका. वज्र प्रहार is a joint military exercise between the special forces of India and the United States of America. Both the countries conduct it alternatively. Moving to next question. Who presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament? संसद के दोनों सदनों की संयुक्त बैठक की अध्यक्षता कौन करता है? द आंसर इज द स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा, लोकसभा के अध्यक्ष. द स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा प्रिसाइड ओवर द जॉइंट सिटिंग ऑफ द टू हाउसेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. द जॉइंट सिटिंग ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट इज कॉल्ड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. द जॉइंट सिटिंग ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इज प्रोवाइडेड इन आर्टिकल 108 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. In the absence of speaker, it is presided by Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Moving to next question. Who became the first woman fighter pilot to participate in the Republic Day Fly Past? गणतंत्र दिवस फ्लाई पास्ट में भाग लेने वाली पहली महिला फाइटर पायलट कौन बनी? एंड द आंसर इज भावना कांत. Bhavna Kant is a female pilot. She became the first woman fighter pilot to participate in Republic Day Fly Past. She, along with Mohana Singh and Avni Chaturvedi, was induced into Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron in June 2016. Moving to next question. The quorum to constitute a sitting of the Lok Sabha is how much of the total number of members of the House under Article 100 of the Constitution of India. लोकसभा की एक बैठक का गठन करने के लिए गणपूर्ति भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 100 के तहत सदन के सदस्यों की कुल संख्या का कितना है? द आंसर इज 1/10, 10वां. द quorum to constitute a sitting of Lok Sabha is 1/10 of the total number of members of the House under Article 100 of the Constitution of India. Moving to next question. पैठनी साड़ी belongs to the state of. पैठनी साड़ी किस राज्य से संबंधित है? द आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र. पैठनी साड़ी बिलोंग्स टू द स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. पैठनी इज ए वेराइटी ऑफ साड़ी नेम्ड आफ्टर द पैठन टाउन इन औरंगाबाद, वेयर द साड़ी वाज फर्स्ट मेड बाय हैंड. प्रेजेंट डे योला टाउन इन नासिक इज द लार्जेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ पैठनी साड़ीज. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डेट? विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस किस तिथि को मनाया जाता है? द आंसर इज 11th जुलाई. वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे इज एन एनुअल इवेंट ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन July 11 every year which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. Moving to next question. Which of the following lakes is the largest man-made lake in India? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी झील भारत की सबसे बड़ी मानव निर्मित झील है? द आंसर इज गोविंद वल्लभ पंत सागर. Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Lake is located near Pipri village in Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh. It is the largest man-made lake in India and also the largest dam of India by volume. Moving to next question. Which of the following is a floating national park of India? निम्नलिखित में से कौन भारत का एक तैरता हुआ राष्ट्रीय उद्यान है? द आंसर इज केबुल लेमजाओ. The Kebul Lemzau National Park is a national park in the Visnupur district of the state of Manipur. It is the only floating park in the world and an integral part of Loktak Lake. Moving to next question. With which of the following sport is the term jab associated? जैब शब्द निम्नलिखित में से किस खेल से संबंधित है? द आंसर इज बॉक्सिंग, मुक्केबाजी. The term jab is associated with the sport of boxing. The jab is a kind of punch delivered with the lead hand and which moves directly out from the shoulder. Moving to next question. Alexander invaded India in. सिकंदर ने भारत पर आक्रमण किया and the answer is 326 BC. In 326 BC, Alexander invaded India. After crossing the Indus River, he advanced towards Taxila. He then challenged King Porus the ruler of the kingdom between the rivers Jhelum and Chenab. Moving to next question. Somatotropin is another name for somatotropin किसका दूसरा नाम है? The answer is growth hormone, वृद्धि हार्मोन. Somatotropin or growth hormone is a peptide hormone that stimulates growth cell reproduction and cell regeneration in humans and other animals. It is thus important in human development. Moving to next question. The first Indian satellite Aryabhat was launched in which year? पहली भारतीय उपग्रह आर्यभट्ट किस वर्ष लॉन्च किया गया था? The answer is 1975. Aryabhat was India's first satellite named after the famous Indian astronomer. It was launched on April 19, 1975 by Russian rocket. Moving to next question. Which one of the following persons discovered the gamma rays? निम्नलिखित में से किस व्यक्ति ने गामा किरणों की खोज की थी? The answer is Paul Villard. French chemist and physicist Paul Villard discovered the gamma rays in 1900 while studying the radiation emanating from radium. Moving to next question. Devotional folk dance Jikir belong to the Indian state of Jikir नामक भक्ति लोक नृत्य भारतीय राज्य से संबंधित है and the answer is Assam. Jikir songs are certain religion-based folk songs popular in the state of Assam. Jikir songs embodies the teaching of Islam. Moving to next question. With which sport is the Indian player Neeraj Chopra associated? भारतीय खिलाड़ी नीरज चोपड़ा का संबंध किस खेल से है? The answer is javelin throw, भाला फेंकना. Neeraj Chopra is an Indian track and field athlete who competes in the javelin throw. He holds the Indian national record for 88.07 for the event. Moving to last question of today. What is the amount of minimum assured monthly pension payable under the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan PMSYM scheme of the Government of India? भारत सरकार की प्रधानमंत्री श्रम योगी मानधन PMSYM योजना के तहत दे न्यूनतम सुनिश्चित मासिक पेंशन की राशि क्या है? The answer is 3000 rupees. 3,000. The minimum monthly pension amount payable under Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan PMSYM scheme is rupees 3000. It is a social welfare scheme launched in February 2019. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.